So hello everyone, welcome you to our Onka Learning YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are going to see data types in Java. So basically there are two types of data types, that are primitive and non-primitive data types. Basically primitive data types are kind of data types whose size is already defined by program. Or in language itself, and non-primitive data type size is defined by user, means the size is dynamic, which can be changed at runtime. And we'll see non-primitive data types in a further videos when we'll see the concepts of strings and arrays, and primitive data types we'll see in this tutorial. So basically primitive data types are of two types, that is boolean and numeric. Boolean data type is a kind of data types which returns value either true or false, and numeric type of data types are of character and integral. So character is just a character, means a single. For example, take here example of data. Here D is a single character, A is a single character, T is a single character. It simply means that it is a character data type. And integral data type, in integral data type there are two types of, it is further classified into two subsections, that are integral and floating. So floating means decimal value, and integer means without decimal value. And here also, depending upon integer size and floating size, these are divided into again its subsections, that is we'll see it on next page. I have also mentioned these sizes in my this notes. Just go through this notes. I'll also put this notes drive link into my description box as well as into my chat box. So I have specially created these notes for you. So in my notes I have also mentioned that what is primitive data type, its size. As you can see here, that integer type, it is again classified into four sections, that is byte, short, int and long. Here byte is of 8 bits, then its short is of 16 bits. Due to, as when byte was invented at that time, it was of 8 bits, but there was need of more bits, so then short invented, then int, then long. And same for floating values, then char, boolean. Here also I have mentioned example of each type of data type, and I think we should study all this concept by having hands-on with our tutorials. So whenever I do any program, it's necessary for you to learn Java. By just completing this tutorial, you have to do the program which I have done by your own. This will literally help you out to have hands-on with our tutorials and Java. So here I have also mentioned what is non-primitive data types and so on. So let's open with our program. Here I have opened Visual Studio Code. I will also give Visual Studio Code, means it's the software link, into my description box as well as into my comment box. So here I'll create one file, that is datatypeeg.java, and here you can see that our file name and our class name will be same. Then you have to include main method. I have also told you in my previous video how to do your first program. And here you have to pass the string arguments. I have also told you meaning of this line. This line is really very important. So if you have not watched what is public static void main, then first of all go and watch that video, and then after come here to see this video. So here firstly we'll see syntax. Firstly we'll see syntax of data type, that is first we have to include data type, then we have to give here variable name, and if initialization is there, then we have to make all the initializations here, and we have to give semicolon. So now I'll int data type, and variable name, just we are taking variable name as roll number, and we are assigning it roll number as 12. Now we will simply print the roll number. For that we have to For printing, we have to put the statement as System.out.println, and here we have to pass roll number, and we have to save it. And now we have to open command prompt. From here also you can run, but I suggest you to use command prompt. Here we have to go to the folder where we have stored our file. It is in documents. Then what is the file name? No, it's Java Pro. Then we have to compile our program using Java C Datatype example.java, and it is compiled successfully. Now we have to run. So Java DataTypeEg. And one thing, Java is case sensitive language, so make sure that you type everything correctly. And here you can see that our roll number is 12. And also if you want that to display any message, that then you can just type here your roll number is, and here you have to just concatenate with this and save, and again compile it once again and run. You can see that your number is 12. Here just one space and recompile it. Now it's perfectly fine. So here by using integer we have did our first program. Here if I want to, instead of roll number, let's make another one. Here I have taken mobile number. Let's see what happens. And I have assigned mobile number as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This much I have assigned. And here I'll just copy and paste, and here mobile number is and mob, and once again just compile and see. Now here you will see that one error message that integer number is too long. So now here we have to make it as long, and again we'll save. Just a second. So you can see that our program has been compiled, and you can just run it, and you'll see that it has been successfully compiled. So for this purpose, this data types are given, and in similar way for float, double, you can just check out. For float we can give marks. My marks are, I guess, 98 point something. I'm just giving it, and here I'll just copy this and I'll paste it out. Your marks are, and your marks. Again you have to just compile 98 point, lossy conversion from double to float. Just a second. So now for that we have to declare here double due to its size issues, and also we'll see this, that why it is giving us error when we'll study the concepts of typecasting. At that time we'll study this, but till then you have to give here double, and here we have to recompile it, and here you can see that your marks are 9.5, I guess 98.5, 99.5. Now it's working perfectly fine. So in the same way, we can give it for string, character, and for each and every. Let's take char A, and just assign it that it is always written in single quotes, that is A. I guess it's let's take name, and we'll just print out name. We'll copy everything. Just a second. And here I'll just do your name is, and here I'll just keep name. I'll just save and just you can see that your name is, I guess, here also same mistake. So these are primitive data types. Also you can practice it out by using your own concepts. So also you can see that here I have mentioned example of each. And also we will see boolean data type. Boolean will take value and will assign it as true. We'll assign it as true and we'll simply print the value. Just copy this. I guess your marks are your value is, save it and just rerun it. You can see your value is A. So here you have to give value, save and rerun. You can see that your value is true. So in this way you can just practice as many as programs you can. This will really help you out to have hands-on with our tutorials. So from our next videos we'll go with some higher concepts. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you for watching. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe.